Let's continue with chapter number 8 from your economics book of grade 10, and the name of the chapter is Alternative Market Structures, and today we are going to start from monopolistic competition. The monopolistic competition market refers to a market structure where adequate number of monopoly firms produce and sell substitute items and they compete with one another to grab the market share. So we can say monopoly or perfect competition are two extreme forms of a product market. In reality, however, for most of the commodities, close substitutes do exist. So we can say that again there are also few commodities which are entirely homogeneous to make the assumption of perfect competitive market elastic. So under monopolistic competition, a large number of firms produce different products which belong to same class. Okay. Next, in other words, we can also say that the firms sell different varieties of same product. Each seller possesses a little market power because it sells a differentiated or different product. Yet several firms compete with one another because their products are close substitutes. Such pure monopoly or pure competitive market structure are almost absent. So monopolistic competition is most realistic form of market structure. So what are the basic features, or we can say characteristics of monopolistic market? Like the perfect competitive market, there are a large number of sellers and buyers in this form of market structure. The products sold by the sellers are differentiated, yet they are close substitutes. There is freedom to entry and exit of the firms, and they can start or close the business without any prohibition. Fourth is the principal goal of a firm is to maximize its own profit. Number 5 is factor prices and technology are given. Number 6, a firm is assumed to behave as if it knew its demand and cost curves with certainty. So each firm earns only normal profit in the long run. Each firm spends substitutional amount on advertisement. So advertisement is also another important point of monopolistic firms. Next, what is the meaning of oligopoly? This is what is included in your syllabus. An oligopoly is a market where the number of producers is more than one, but not many. Maybe 2 or 3 producers. There would, however, be many buyers as in perfect competition. A special case of oligopoly is duopoly, where the number of producers is exactly 2. So, examples of oligopoly are easy to find. The motor car manufacturing industries is an oligopoly. In India, there are only few companies which sell light motor vehicles. Okay, what are the characteristics? It is a market structure in which a small number of rival firms dominate the industry. These rival firms produce either homogeneous or differentiated products. However, the differentiated oligopoly is more common than pure. The production and marketing strategies of the rival firms are interdependent in nature, and it is very difficult for any firm to estimate the probable counter strategy to be undertaken by the rival firm in response to its own strategy. In most cases, the buyers in the oligopoly market is large number. Okay, is in large number. So in this market structure, entry and exit is difficult. Several factors such as the pattern or the patent right, you can say the limited size of the market, required a huge investment. All these are the, you can say, barriers. Different rival firms in this market may enter into a collusive, or you can say agreement between the two farms for fixation of the prices and outputs. Hopefully you understood. Only this much is included in your syllabus. Thank you.